arrive in style with this Ram 2020 ProMaster City Cargo Van Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: black cloth low back bucket seats, wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches silver steel, STD, daytime running headlamps, quick order package 24C Tradesman Cargo VAN included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940ATE automatic supplemental side curtain front airbags, upfit interface connector, bright white, park sense rear park assist system, transmission, 9-speed 940ATE automatic, STD, and speed control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.